I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those. Today's puzzle is a 210-piece personal puzzle from the Dowdle Puzzle Company entitled Whistler. The image is of a painting created by folk artist Eric Dowdle, and it's of the city of Whistler, British Columbia. So let's do this. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.